Once, a daughter complained to her father that her life was miserable and she didn't know how she was going to make it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father, a chef, took her to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with water and placed each on a high fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in the second, and the ground coffee beans in the third. He then let them sit and boil without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what he was doing. Just after 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He pulled the eggs out and placed them in a bowl. He poured the coffee out and placed it in a cup. He then poured the coffee in a cup. Then asked the daughter, "What do you see?" "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee," she replied. "Look closer," the father said, "and touch the potatoes." She did and noted that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling the shell, she observed the hard-boiled egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile on the face of the daughter. Then the daughter asked curiously, "What does this mean, father?" Then the father explained that the potatoes, the eggs, and the coffee beans had each faced the same adversity of boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potatoes went in strong, hard, and unrelenting, but in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile, with a thin outer shell, protecting its liquid interior until it was put into the boiling water. Then the inside of the egg became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the water, they changed the water and created something delicious. So the father said, "Which are you? When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean?" said the father. So the moral of the story is, in life, things happen around us, things happen to us, but the only thing that truly matters is what happens within us. So choose wisely. Which one are you?